Discover the reliable solution for dumpster rental in West Columbia, South Carolina, with Midlands Dumpster Services LLC. Midlands Dumpster Services LLC is committed to providing exceptional dumpster rental services tailored to meet the diverse needs of our clients in West Columbia, South Carolina. Our mission is to streamline your waste management process, ensuring your projects run smoothly from start to finish. Whether managing a home renovation, a large-scale construction project, or organizing a community cleanup, our dependable dumpster rental service guarantees that your site remains clean and organized, providing you with peace of mind. We pride ourselves on timely delivery and pickup, allowing you to focus on the task without disruptions. Our team of professionals is dedicated to supporting your project with efficient and reliable service, so you can be confident that your waste management is in good hands. We offer flexible rental options and a variety of dumpster sizes to meet your needs. Our unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction means we work closely with you to provide effective and hassle-free waste management solutions, making you feel valued and important. Choose Midlands Dumpster Services LLC for your dumpster rental needs in West Columbia, South Carolina, and experience the quality and reliability that set us apart. For more information or to schedule your dumpster rental, call us at 803-608-6437 or visit www.medumps.com. Dumpster Rental West Columbia, SC. Midlands Dumpster Services LLC, your trusted partner in efficient and reliable waste management.